Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. On this video, I wanted to go over the reason you're not getting views on your YouTube videos and also on your YouTube channel. Okay, and I actually did a video about this same topic, I believe, close to 1 year ago, and in there, I actually dove really deep into why channels and videos they don't get views on YouTube. So I'll share with you the screen so I can show you that video so you can actually go back and watch the video that I actually done. And it is actually on my YouTube channel. So if you're actually watching this on Facebook, you can just type in Sanjeev Chand on YouTube and my video will pop up. So hopefully you can see my screen. So this is a video that I actually did close to about a year ago. And in here, I explain the reason that YouTube channels and also YouTube videos, why they don't get views. Okay, plus I also share bonus tip in there as well, so you can go back and watch this particular video. But what I actually explained in there, I wanted to add more with that video. So if you watch that video and also come back and watch this one, you'll understand like the reason why YouTube channels and YouTube videos they don't get views. Especially I'm talking about faceless method, right? I'm not talking about branded channel. And this is the reason that so many of the channels they don't get views and they really struggle. Okay, because they think that once they start creating video, they upload on YouTube, automatically they will get views, but it doesn't really work that way. Okay, because a lot of people actually tried it and they end up quitting like few months after, because they don't really understand how YouTube platform works and how the YouTube algorithm really works. And actually, once you actually go back and watch that video, I'll actually leave in the comment so you can go back and watch that video. If you're watching that on YouTube, you can go back and watch it, right? And I just wanted to add more stuff in it so you can actually get a clear understanding why channels they don't get views. So let me share with you the screen and actually just can go through a lot of different things that people are not doing and the reason they really struggle with getting views on their videos. Okay, so actually put close to about 7 reasons, and make sure to stay till the end, because at the end, if you wanting to hit that over 10k video channel, what you gotta be doing to get that results with your channels. Okay, so let's go through that and let's discuss about this. Okay, so the very first reason is because you're copying exactly same as your competition. Okay, word for word, thumbnail per thumbnail, video idea per video idea. Okay, and there's no reason for a person to actually watch other people's video than watching your video. Okay, they will actually just go and watch the bigger channels compared to your channel, because you're not adding any new stuff, you're not adding any unique stuff. And this is the main reason that people really struggle with this, because they thought that have actually seen a video created by a YouTube guru. They're sharing, hey, you do this, you're gonna get this. Okay, but they're actually not understanding that if a video have already got like 1 million views, people have already seen that topic, people have already seen that thumbnail. And if you just do the same stuff as what they have already done, like very few people will be interested in watching your video. Okay, so this is the main reason people struggle. Okay, and another reason is also you're not being creative. Like I'm talking about thumbnail, you're already talking about like video ideas, I'm talking about video packaging. Okay, not being creative enough. Okay, so you're just going out there thinking that some channels actually just blowing up. If you just do the same stuff as them, you also going to get same stuff kind of results. Okay, so not being creative, and you're just copying everyone else out there. Okay, so Another reason that channels and videos that don't get views is because this is the main reason, and this is also a killer of the faceless channels, is promoting the channel with ads or paying to get views. Okay, you probably have gone to maybe Fiverr, you probably have used like ads to actually grow your channel, and at that time you're only going to get views. But after you stop doing the promotion, you stop paying to get views, YouTube won't recommend your content, because YouTube doesn't know what your channel is about, and YouTube doesn't know who are your core audience. And so you might get started, pay for ads, pay for views. You might get like 5,000 views, 10,000 views, but next video after that, you're not doing any promotion, you're not gonna get any views. Okay, because YouTube is really confused what your channel is about. Some person who's like in maybe France or Italy or Germany, they're watching your content through the ads, right? And they're getting recommended. But once you stop paying for that views, once you stop promoting your channel, your audience gonna be mixed. Okay, so it's the YouTube algorithm is already confused because you paid for ad, paid for views. Okay, so very critical mistake you don't want to make. Okay, this is a very critical thing that you're not going to be doing. If you want to grow your channel, grow it organically. In the beginning, you're not going to get like millions of views, but over time, once YouTube starts getting more data, you'll get views. Okay, so don't have a overnight success thing in your mind, like I'm going to be promoting and then next few videos I'm going to get views. Okay, it doesn't work like that. Okay, another reason that you might not be getting views is because like I already explained to you before, copying other channels, your thumbnail, your video ideas, your topics, and your video is really bad, low quality videos. And even if like you've already clickbaited someone, right, on the thumbnail, it's totally different thing that you're showing, but as soon as they click on the video, it's like totally a different thing. As an example, if on the thumbnail you're showing like cats, right, but if someone actually clicked on your video, in the beginning, like 5 to 10 seconds, he's showing like dog related content. So that's like a mismatch. Your thumbnail needs to be related to the video. Okay, so clickbait used to work before, but like slowly YouTube has actually, the algorithm is like so advanced now. So if you're actually doing that, and your average view duration will suffer, and YouTube won't actually promote your content, which causes low views on your videos. Okay, another reason, we almost done, guys, but make sure to stay to line, because at the end I'll be showing you something awesome. So channel isn't optimized, right, causing YouTube algorithm to not recommend content to the right audience. Okay, so when it's setting up your channel, and I'm just gonna go through one of my video that I actually did, so how to set up the channel right. So if I click on playlist, you'll see I've actually done a whole training on that, and in here I show you like how to set up the channel the right way so you get views on your channel. Okay, so channel isn't optimized right, causing YouTube algorithm to not recommend content to the right audience. Okay, so very important. Another reason is pretty much getting into very crowded niche, or getting into niche with very little demand. Okay, so getting into very crowded niche, and also copying everyone else. Okay, or getting into a niche with very little demand, they like very little audience. Okay, so that's very critical. When you're choosing the right niche, make sure you do get into the right niche. And I actually did a video on this same topic in here. Print 5k to 10k doing this, just copy this. So this is the way that I actually get views on my videos and also my channel, is because I have a unique way of finding the niche and also transferring the niche into something else. Okay, but in here is video is like 16 minutes long, and actually go through like how I actually come up with the niche, and how I know when I actually jump into a niche, I know I'm going to be getting the views. Okay, so very, very critical. So get into a right niche. Okay, and the last one is I've actually seen this time and time again, this mistake, using voiceover that doesn't match the niche, causing low retention. So if, for example, if you're getting to a sports niche as an example, I know that niche is like really, really crowded. And using a voiceover, especially in the sports niche, you have like a maybe some old person or some person with like an accent doing the voiceover, and it doesn't match, causing very low average view duration. Average view duration is how long a person actually watches the video. Okay, so for example, if someone is like a teenager actually watching a sports reel, they want to have a young person doing the voiceover, not a old person. Okay, so very, very huge mistake people actually make, but this is the final bit. So here's that I've actually come up with, and I've actually had experience with this thing. So making 1 to 5K is easy on YouTube, right? But if you want to get to like 10K plus per month, you need to become more creative in terms of video ideas, thumbnail, and also packaging of the video to get high average view duration and high view retention. Okay, so very important. It's easy to make like $1,000 per month, very easy with YouTube automation. However, if you want to get to like 10K plus, you gotta be more creative, and that's how you're gonna get like more views. But also when I was actually beginning to do this video, I came up with this awesome niche, and you can see that they have only started close to only about a month ago. They only got like 31 videos uploaded on their channel, and they're getting a lot of views. So which actually tells me this style of niche is like really, really in demand, and people are craving this kind of stuff, so they've got like in 8 days 1.2 million views. So they're creating longer videos because they can put more ads, mid-roll ads in the video, and they have like a storytelling style of content, and this channel is just killing it with views, longer videos. So if I actually jump in this niche, I'll probably make my videos like 1 hour plus, like longer, because the longer I'll have more storytelling, and that way I can get more income on my video when I actually create those style of video. So hope you got some value out of this video. If you want me to go over anything else, you can just leave in the comment section. Also, I'll leave a link for that video. You can go and watch the reason that channels they don't get that much views. But hope you got some value out of this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. God bless, and bye for now.